Looks like we got a team representative for 6437 here. All right. We've got a Blue Alliance. All right, and we're going to go ahead and get our match started here in 3, 2, 1.
We did it! We did it!
Got movement on the Red Alliance side, Dirty Thomas. Robot putting one of his arms up. Very victorious pose there. No movement from the Blue Alliance side.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, we're stopping to start by teleoperating period. Exactly what else to control by the drivers. Looks like we've got the Mad Hatters going for a possible high specimen. Also have the other member of the Red Alliance from Midwest placing some Alliance-specific samples in their next zone. Blue Alliance working hard to get Alliance-specific samples to their human player. Looks like they're coming in fast for that human player with that kind of Pokemon fly there. Alliance Blue Alliance number 6366 looking to carry Alliance neutral samples into the net zone. Looks like the boys team is looking to push their specimen into the net zone here. We have about 30 seconds left until end game. Got the Mad Hatters working with the human player to play specimens. Looks like Blue Alliance is working out some sort of cooperation strategy where one teammate might pass it off to the other, or the teammate just goes on it. Over the net. That's a semi-close match here with Blue Alliance ready for 5. And this is our end game. Got about 25 seconds left to the end of the match.
Come on.
Looks like we got Red Alliance maybe a little too. Oh my gosh, we got 8 seconds left in the match. Can they pull it out? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, looks like we've got our scores from that last match. Looks like we have a Red Alliance victory, 40-51 points in Red's favor. Let's give it up for both Red and Blue Alliances.